Hi, my name is Fiona Corvin and I am the Employee Wellbeing Campus Advisor for Coleraine and Magee. I'm making this really short video today quite literally on the theme of campus connections and the importance and values of those connections during these tough times. I'm relatively new to UU and I started here in June 2019. Like many other people, when I first started, I was quite nervous about the prospect of building new relationships within such a large organisation. So I thought it might be quite nice to share some of my positive experience and also top tips for remaining connected too. So first up, treat your network like stars, build constellations. The sentiment here is lovely and the statement is also true. Naturally, over time, your network will evolve and continue to grow, and soon you will know plenty of people from each campus. I can personally say that I've met so many fantastic colleagues from right across the university and I've built some really great relationships. I'm looking forward to improving on this and building on it as my time at UU continues. Secondly, take part. This is such an obvious one, but by participating in some of the additional opportunities here at UU, you can not only really boost your networking potential, but it's also fantastic for your well-being. A couple of things that I've really enjoyed are the Women's Network and also availing of the mentoring scheme. Other things you might like to consider could include the book club, crochet club, choir, and lots of different sporting activities. All fantastic for your well-being, and I would highly recommend. Thirdly, keeping connected during these tough times. The novelty of working from home may have worn off, and it is so vital that we do remain connected across all our 4 campuses. Something that I would consider, if you haven't done so already, is setting up a WhatsApp group or similar for your colleagues. Just a chance for colleagues to touch base throughout the course of the day, informally, and keep connected. Consider setting up a virtual coffee break. This could even be 15 minutes once a week, a chance for colleagues to bring along a cuppa and have a catch up, out with the formal Skype meeting setup that we've become so accustomed to. This can have a really positive impact on someone's day, particularly those colleagues who may live alone or who may be experiencing limited social interaction out with the workplace. And lastly, we have an employee wellbeing group on Yammer. It would be fantastic to see some more of you join the conversation over there. The content is quite light-hearted. We post on a daily basis and it would be great to hear some new voices. It's also a fantastic way to connect with colleagues from across the university. If you do have any ideas, suggestions, questions or queries with regards to wellbeing, it would be fantastic to hear from you. Do get in touch via email at campuswellbeing@ulster.ac.uk. If our paths haven't crossed so far, then I do hope that they get to cross sometime soon. And in the meantime, please take care.